Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to discuss about the Python modules. How can we create the Python modules as well as how can we use the Python modules? Okay. So I am going to discuss you with this screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. I made a program. I will open that program. That is named as my module. I saved it in documents. Okay. Uh, Let me explain this program to you. Actually, this is a normal Python program, but I am going to use this program as a Python module. Okay. So first of all, what is the module? Means actually a module contains number of functions. Okay. There are libraries of the Python. Library is a container of modules, and module is a container of functions. So whenever there is a requirement to group the functions inside a particular module, so we need to create a file, Python file, and inside that file we have to include all the functions, so that we can call the individual function by that particular module. Okay. So in this module there are different functions. First function is add function, another function is subtract function, and next function is product function, and another function is divide function. So in this module I'm not going to discuss a big concept, just I am going to discuss about how can we create a Python module. Okay. So the add function is going to add two values, and subtract function is going to subtract two values, and so on. So this is the mathematical calculator like this. So if we have passed two values to the particular function, it will operate the value according to the operator or according to the function behavior or nature, and it will produce the result. Okay. So one more important thing is over here, because I'm going to use this file as a Python module file, so I'm not going to call the function inside this program. Okay. So first of all, I have created these four functions. A module can contain more than one functions. Okay. So there is no limit to create the function inside the module. As per the requirement, we can create so many functions inside a particular module. Okay. So I am including here only four functions: add function, subtract function, product function, as well as divide function. Correct? And we have to save this file in a particular folder, and Python automatically takes .py extension. So this file will be treated as a Python module. Okay. So there is no extra concept is there. We just have to create different kind of function in a particular program, and we need to save that program in a particular folder, and we can use that particular program file as a Python module. How can we use a particular file as a Python module? I'm going to discuss you. Okay. So I'm taking the new file like this, and in this program, in this file, I'm going to use that particular Python program which we have created as a module. Okay. So we have to write a statement: import. What is the name of our module file? That is a my module. So I have written over here my module. Okay. And we have to give an object name to the particular module. So I have given import my module as MD. Suppose I have given an object name to this module file as a MD. Okay. So now how can we call the functions of my module file in this program? Okay, this is a separate program, and we have just imported that particular file in our program only. So we are reusing our functions, or we are reusing our modules. I have just created this file normally and saved in a particular folder, and now I have created another program, and I am going to import this file into this program. Okay. So we need to write a statement, import statement, and after import is a keyword, and after import keyword I have to write the name of that particular file, as well as I have to give the object name. This object name is just like the nickname of a particular module. Okay, now I have to call a particular function. Suppose I have to call add function of my module. So I have given md dot add. This is the syntax, children. We need to specify the object name before calling the function. Okay, so if we have called the function normally like this, it will produce an error, because compiler doesn't know where is the add function. Okay, so we need to call the function with its object name. Okay, so remember this point, md dot function name is add, and now we have to pass the values which has to be operated by the function. So I am just giving the constant value right now, 10, 20. Okay, so I'm going to execute this function, because function is returning the value. Already in previous video I have discussed what is the meaning of value, return value of the function. So this function is returning the value. So here we have to print the value by storing in a particular variable. I have taken a variable, suppose z is equal to md dot add. I have called this function over here. Now I will print the result, print z. Correct. So I am going to execute this file. So it is giving the error, no module named my module. Why this error is going to be produced? Because I have not saved my file. Before execution, it is compulsory to save that particular program in same folder where module is available. Okay, this is very much important point. We have to save a program in that particular folder where our module file is already saved. Okay, so I am saving this file. Save as. We saved our module in document folder. So I am giving here, suppose I have given demo, name of my program as demo, and save it in same folder. Now I am going to execute it. Now it is showing the result 30. Okay, so before execution we need to save our program in the same folder. Okay, so in this way we can import our module in different programs, and we can use different function of a particular module, like the Python library modules. Here this module is a user defined module. We can create a particular module to include different kind of functions, but function should be related to a particular task only. Correct. And when we import the particular module in a program, we can call the function with its object name, and we can execute function like this. Okay,